Printing your Canva designs has never been easier, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it so your creations look professional and flawless. First, make sure your design is completely ready. Once you are satisfied with it, click on the download button in the top right corner. From the file type options, select PDF, Print. This is the format that ensures your design retains the highest quality, making it perfect for both home and professional printing. Before you hit download, pay attention to a few crucial settings. Check crop marks and bleed if your design goes to the edge of the paper. This helps the printer know exactly where to trim. Next, enable flatten PDF, which locks in all your layers, fonts, and effects so nothing shifts or changes during printing. Once your PDF is downloaded, open it with any standard PDF viewer. From there, simply select the print option. You can choose your local printer and adjust your print settings as needed, like paper size, orientation, and number of copies. If you want the best results, make sure your printer settings match the design dimensions exactly. For professional prints, you can also take this PDF to a local print shop. Because it's already in PDF print format with crop marks and bleeds, the shop can print it with precision without any extra adjustments. And that's it. With these simple steps, your Canva designs can go from screen to perfectly printed creations in minutes. Give it a try and see your digital work come to life on paper.